This is a video how to remove the dashboard wood trim, the centerpiece. We already removed it, but just to get you an idea, you got to take out these three cup holder. The air vents. Well, one of them for sure because there's a T20 Twerks right there, and then the second one we had to remove it. It's just something that's holding it right here in the back of it, so we popped it out and it released it. And then there's just clips all around, and it's just metal oh, there you go. That was what was holding it by the speedometer. So we removed both of the sides. The center one, I'm not really sure if you have to remove it, but the side ones for sure. Yeah, it's just held down by these clips everywhere else, and it just slides kind of under the screen, the navigation command screen. I'm just gonna pull it upwards and it comes off.